Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make rounded corner product pictures in Shopify. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to shopify.com, and from here guys, just simply go ahead and go for online store over here. And after that, from here guys, just go to your website and go to these three dots over here. And now just simply go for edit code over here. Over here, just simply use the search filter files over here and search for base. And now from here, you should be able to see base.css. And now from here, guys, just simply go to the very bottom. And now from here, as you can see, we have the empty one. So from here, make sure you are on the empty one. And after that, just simply go to this link over here. So guys, I will link this in the description as well. So from here, just simply copy this code over here. So once you have copy it, or you select it and right click and copy. And from here, just go back to Shopify and paste it over here. And now, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and click on save. And once you have saved, just click on preview store. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and go to your product. So this is an example product that I have. And as you can see, it is now a rounded corners. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.